In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to connect Payhip to Omnisend. Both of these platforms have incredible capabilities, and integrating them can really streamline your sales and marketing processes. So let's dive in and get started with this simple but powerful automation setup. First, head over to your web browser and type in Zapier. This is the tool that will help us connect Payhip with Omnisend. Click on the correct Zapier link to open the website. Zapier is an automation tool that enables you to connect different apps without the need for any coding or complex workflows. Once you're on the Zapier site, the next thing you need to do is log into your Zapier account. If you don't already have an account, you can sign up for one. Logging in is straightforward. Just enter your credentials and you'll be directed to your dashboard. Now that you're logged in, you want to create a Zap. A Zap is essentially an automated workflow that connects your apps and services. On the dashboard, look for an option that says Create a Zap and click on that. This is where the magic begins. From here, you'll need to search for and select Payhip as your trigger app. The trigger is the event that starts your workflow. In Payhip's case, common triggers could be something like a new sale or new product. You might need to provide your Payhip API keys or grant access to allow Zapier to access your account. Make sure you have these details handy if you need them. Next, we move on to Omnisend. In Zapier, search for and select Omnisend as your action app. This is the app where, once the trigger event occurs, the action will take place. Authorizing Zapier to connect with your Omnisend account is necessary here as well. Again, ensure you have any necessary login information ready to go. Now think about what information from Payhip you would like to flow into Omnisend, such as customer email, name, or birthday. These are called data fields, and it's essential to map these fields appropriately to ensure everything works seamlessly. Accurate data mapping means your customer information will transition correctly and enhance the effectiveness of your campaigns. Before wrapping up, it's crucial to test your new automated workflow. Testing confirms whether the Zap functions as expected. Look for any errors or anomalies in the process during this check. Once you're satisfied that everything is running smoothly, you can activate your Zap and let the automation take care of the rest. And there you have it. By connecting Payhip to Omnisend using Zapier, you've created a seamless flow of information from your sales to your marketing platform. This integration will help you work more efficiently and enable better customer engagement. Enjoy your newfound automation, and feel free to revisit these steps if you need a refresher in the future.